Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and ship items on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. First of all, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead access your Etsy.com on your browser, or you can simply access your Etsy app as seller app. Then you're gonna tap on this little shop icon on top. Once you have tapped on the shop manager icon, it will simply access this menu list, including in the shop manager, including this option called orders and shipping. You simply have to tap on this orders and shipping, and this will simply show you the orders that are available. And you're simply going to tap on this little box icon beside your particular order that is yet to be shipped. Once you have tapped on it, you will find this option called get shipping labels. For that, you're gonna go ahead tap on that get shipping labels afterwards, and this will simply access your delivery information for your order, including the information and shipping information. You're gonna go ahead and enter your package weight, your length, width, and height for your label to be printed out. And afterward, here in this delivery service section, you're going to choose yourself a delivery service, and afterwards simply have to print your particular shipping labels. Go ahead, tap on print shipping labels afterward, and then it will simply access your printer that you have connected with your computer. And then here in the section, you can go ahead, check out the information again, and tap on this print out. Once you have got yourself that label printed, you're gonna go ahead attach it to your order that you're shipping, and then again go back to your shop manager and access the settings option given below again. And now this will simply show you this another menu for the settings, including this shipping settings right there. Go ahead, tap on it, and now once you have tapped on it, this will show you the shipping settings, including the shipping from, the information regarding it. And then afterwards, simply gonna scroll down, and here in the download preference, pre-filled calculated shipping labels, you're gonna choose what do you prefer accordingly. Afterwards, you're gonna go ahead, go to bottom, and confirm the shipping. That's how you can simply do the shipping from Etsy. Once you confirm your shipment right like that over there, and then you will be done. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.